Well, what a year 2020 has been when it comes to the coronavirus. Since the middle of March, the state of North Carolina has been turned upside down. Tanner Barth looks back on the historic year.
We have no cases. We don't have a large volume of testing.
In late February, the state of North Carolina was preparing for something much bigger than they ever imagined. Just 2 weeks later, on March 3rd, the state reported the first case of COVID-19. That's when cities and businesses went quiet, and a decision on the fate of schools was announced by Governor Roy Cooper.
We know that the effects of this pandemic will not subside anytime soon. Therefore, today I will sign an executive order that closes our K-12 public schools across North Carolina for in-person instruction until May 15th.
As cases continued to rise, an executive order was put in place closing restaurants and bars for dine-in service, which was followed up by a statewide stay-at-home order on March 27th, which left some business owners frustrated, not knowing what the future holds.
1/4 of our month or of our year is gone. That's a whole tax season of no income. You're refusing to allow somebody to work, to earn a living, and that's an unalienable right.
Just in everyone's uncertainty, everyone's nervous and just doesn't know what's coming next.
And that would be a trend throughout the summer. Millions of North Carolinians waiting for the next shoe to drop. In October, the state moved into Phase 3 of the Safer at Home plan, lowering restrictions across the state, also allowing bars to reopen, but only at an outdoor capacity of 30%.
This was mostly a symbolic opening and nothing else.
He is doing this just to appease people and to say that he's letting us open.
And the state still remains in Phase 3 to this day, but hope could be around the corner, with millions of people across the nation and in North Carolina now receiving the Moderna and Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine.
In the coming weeks, I will be working with a team of nurses going to long-term care facilities and to other agencies to vaccinate them.
But doctors across the Cape Fear want to warn the public. While things are looking up, the next few months will be vital as we head into 2021.
Whereas we have a reason to hope with the advent of the vaccines, still we have a long winter ahead of us. Next month in particular may be very brutal from the standpoint of COVID.
Reporting in Wilmington, Tanner Barth, WWAY News.